Morning all. This is day 2 in Holland, and we are getting an Uber to Amsterdam city centre. There's lots of things we've got planned to do today. We really do want to look out for a filming location for Only Fools and Horses. I'd completely forgotten about it. Oh, hang on. This lady has a dog in her basket. Yeah, she has got a little dog in the back. Cutest dog ever. Anyway, we're about to have the best apple pie I've ever eaten. We just got a Tesla ride with a man. Our Uber was a Tesla, and he was friendly.
Oh, he was lovely.
Wasn't he?
It was a beautiful, smooth ride.
Yeah, you don't feel poorly?
No, not at all.
Good for you. Anyway, we're going there. I know this might sound weird, but we're going there for apple pie. Anyway, so when I said we're having apple pie, I mean it is just amazing. Look at that.
While we were like in the apartment, kind of thinking like what to do.
Oh wait, and I also got a club sandwich.
Oh, is that on its way too?
Yes, it is. So we have just both eaten there.
It was the best apple pie I've ever had in my life. It was delicious.
And the coffee's pretty good too.
Yes, yeah. Lovely coffee. Didn't have to add sugar. Very nice.
Nums. And we're now here at another cake place. Although we're not going to get anything from here. It's called Bun Bun.
Oh, bun.
Bun Bun.
Like Dana's bun.
Like Dana's Bun Bun. Okay, let's bounce. How peaceful. So there's a place over there with an unusual name. Wait. Crossing now. Brigade. An unfortunate name. But pretty nonetheless. Speaking of pretty, where's my wife? There she is. Oh, good old woman. She's in Amsterdam. Who? Oh, hello, mate. What you doing down there? He's definitely got one of those 1980s medicine spoons on his head. Oh no, don't crash into the bottle of Bacardi or whatever that is.
I think it is Bacardi. Someone's littered ridiculously.
He's definitely jazzing to something, isn't he? He's like, and he's gone. No, don't run him over.
Oh no, wait, look. This boat is made of canal plastic.
This boat is made of Amsterdam. Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, hello, smiley face, you're back. Hello there. I think he looks like Philip Schofield. I don't know. Hey, lady friend.
Hello.
You alright?
Yep.
Oh, many drinks. Do you want another beer before we leave?
No, I better not.
Okay. So we went to that Wester Cafe? What was that cafe called?
I can't remember. It was West.
Cafe West something. That was lovely. We just sat there for like an hour and a half.
Yeah, right by the river. It was really nice.
We're outside Van Cleef's building, office, from Only Fools and Horses.
Stick a money in me pocket. I'll fetch the suitcase from the van.
And it was your idea, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I completely forgot that it was filmed here. Although it is, Hull and Back is one of my favourite episodes. But yeah, I forgot it was here. So well done.
Here we are.
And that is Van Cleef's office. How cool is that? And Rodney's just there. And the fella looks around the corner there.
Good. I believe these are yours, Mr. Trotter.
Thank you very much.
And now we're going to a place called Adam, or Adam, who knows, to do a wicked cool swing.
Yeah,
So yeah, we're having fun.
definitely.
And the weather's delightful.
Beautiful weather.
And there's loads of bikes everywhere. Yeah, I do like all the... Are they daffodils? Or are they tulips? I can't see from here, so let's zoom.
daffodils, them ones.
You're a daffodil. No?
Can be a peat.
Oh yeah, I used someone's bike to hold my water. Oh, he's so cool. I'm trying to work out whether I want to film below. Yeah, I'm going to do it. Oh, look, there's peeps. Oh, Christ, I nearly died then. There's another little view down a canal. Oh, that looks cute. Do you think they're getting married? No. No, me neither. Oh. Is your backpack cutting off your circulation around your pits?
Not right now, no.
Oh, okay, cool. So that head there, we're sat in this really cool square, by the way, having drinks and water, but that head there reminds me, and Laura, of the head from Jason the Argonauts, you know, the one at the front of the boat that was like, "Hey Jason, how's your mates? I'm the little Iron Man with his ankle, and what have you?"
Fight Delos with your wits rather than your courage, and look to his ankles.
His ankles?
Anyway, so with my own eyes I can't see whether that says dude or not. Actually no, I think zoomed in it's an O-U-D-E.
Sorry.
I just wasted precious memory on my phone just for that.
Delete.
Oh, I could delete, but...
Can't
it's
delete
funny,
live.
Can't delete. Oh, look, I mean, look at me again.
Yeah.
It's sort of artistic. Hold
Yeah.
on, hang on.
Can you get like a bit of canalage behind you?
Oh God, if we can get Canal in and me, actually I need to breathe in a little. Oh, we look so fair. There's a man, there's a random gentleman. There we are. And then if I look like this, oh, we're in the same photo. It's not even a photo, it's a video. It's been going on for like 50 seconds.
Cool.
I'll stop now. So we're going to be heading over there to do that swingy thing off of that building. And we're on a boat, and Laura's on the boat too, and she hates boats. But she says this is her favourite boat ever. Loopsie. Can't actually see that we're travelling. We are. See you soon, Swiggy. What does unfold mean? Shame we can't really film ourselves doing it.
Oh well.
Seriously, look at all them bikes down there. It's like just a big old load of bicycles. Oh, it's the lady with the yogurt.
Turn around for the picture, guys. Guys, turn around. Turn around. Got it, thank you.
Is het dat ik zo even kom plassen?
Ja, man. Ja? Ik kan ze wel eruit voor je. Kom.
Ik zei van hoe lang gaat die vergadering duren?
Ja. Ik sta hier met 2 uurtjes. You like it?
Ja. Okay. Thank you. I drop it all the time.
See you guys.
You can later put the stuff there in the box.
Bro, wat is het eigenlijk dan?
Oh yeah, it's called Botel.
Oh.
And it's you can actually sleep in those letters. I wanna go in it. You can see like proper old Amsterdam. Windmillen. Well, it's cool up here. We're now off to the Heineken place. Yeah, so we are actually off to the Heineken place, although I don't know whether you can hear me because of the wind. Because we're on top of Amsterdam. On top of Amsterdam. Looking down, looking up. No, wait, what are we doing? This is nuts, we need to go.
No, I don't know how you get out. Oh, here we go.
Exit on that side, you can check out your photos right there.
Yeah, well, here we are on our way to the Heineken experience. However, what we don't know is we haven't really got enough time to actually investigate it enough, so we go inside and then promptly go home. So, yeah, sorry about that. The whole ceiling is made of Heineken bottles. How cool is that? Now, it wasn't a completely wasted trip because we did buy many things, but yeah, we weren't able to do the experience, sadly. Thanks for watching.